Vlad here from the Talbot Guy, and again, sorry for not posting for so long. The only reason is because I've been trying to put the intro into the video, but my software just kept crashing. But now that I've found a way to do it, I'm actually going to be posting one video a week. So as you can see by the title, the app that I'm reviewing today is called Swiftkey. So if I actually go right here, and I'll just show you guys the icon and then explain what the app does. So as you can see right there, if it would only focus, please. Come on, camera. Focus. Wow, this camera's like... Well, you guys get the point. It's Swiftkey. You guys have probably seen this since it's like the number 3 app on the Play Store. But it's actually $5, I think. So what this actually does is pretty much enables a new keyboard. So basically if we go here and just search, as you can see I have my default keyboard for Samsung. I can swipe everything. What did that actually come up with? Wow. But if we actually go and click on the Swiftkey app, it comes up with this. So this is what it comes up with. Swiftkey. Enable Swiftkey, select Swiftkey, you get better predictions. So we hit enable Swiftkey. What this actually does is bring into your language and input screen. And as you can see, after you download the app, it adds this little function called Swiftkey. So if we click this, this method can collect all text, blah blah blah. Just hit OK. Then select Swiftkey. If we go here, as you can see, it says input method. And all you guys want to do is back. Sorry, misclicked. Hit Swiftkey. Get better predictions. All this actually does is asks you to sign into your social networks to actually get like what you're typing. So now if we actually go to YouTube, hit search, it comes up with the new keyboard. And swipe actually doesn't work for this, which is the one downside to it. So if you use swipe a lot, I wouldn't recommend this for you. So if we hit the Swiftkey options button right there, which is basically the Swiftkey logo, as you can see, settings, themes, undock, resize. So if we hit full, as you guys can see, full is this. If we click thumb, what it actually does is separates your keyboard, which fits perfectly for your thumbs. So let's just say, like I'm typing, one thumb would go here, and the other thumb would go here, and it would reach all the letters. And the spacebar is still in the middle. Now if we go back to Swiftkey settings and hit compact, this puts your whole entire keyboard on one side. Which I don't know why you would do that. But let's go back to full for this one. Full. Now let's go back. Settings. Just hit that real quick. I don't think that was settings. Nope, that wasn't settings. Dock. That's an option I'm going to show you guys later. So let's see settings. Open this up. This basically brings you back to this screen. So if we go back, yes, I want to exit the installer. Go back to YouTube, hit search again so the keyboard comes up. Let's go to themes this time. Let's see. Accented character theme. So if we hit themes, this actually shows you all the different themes that you could have. Like, let's go from the beginning. The Cobalt is the actual one that you start with. So if we scroll down, you guys could see all the themes. I'm actually using neon right now, but let me just use light to show you guys. Accented characters. Show all accents. As you can see, show all accents on long press. And what this actually does is if I only go back, I actually turn the option on. Themes. Accented characters, turn that on. So let's say I am writing in, I don't know, Hispanic, and I actually need to do this. It shows all the possible things that you could do with this. Let me actually erase that. Now let's say do Q. See, Q is actually scheduled to the number 1. So let's just do a random one, F. Star, which is the only one it has. Let's do D. Pretty sure, yep. As you can see, this is like some kind of a symbol. I'm not sure what that is. Let's go back. Swiftkey, themes. Next, what do we have? Extended layout. Show an extended layout. Full keyboard. This layout includes left and right cursors. And as you can see, what this does, if I can only go back now, thank you. Here, as you can see, I actually have some arrow keys. It's actually pretty cool, but the only key that's missing is the down key. So, now, let's go back to Swiftkey and themes. What's the last option we have here? Number pad on left. Shows number pad on symbols. To the left of symbols. Okay. And what this actually does is, as you can see right here, the number pad. This numbers aren't just laid out across the top. It's actually a number pad, so it's like you can actually like punch and stuff. Actually, oh no, I just erased everything. Oh well. Go back to ABC, Swiftkey, and undock. And as you guys can see, you can do anything you want with your keyboard. You could, like, let's say you want to look at something down there. Just take your keyboard, move it up. How sick is that? You just like say, oh look, like let's say it's blocking like email or something. Whoop. You can see the email perfectly now. So let me actually put that and dock it back, which actually puts it back in the beginning position. And finally, resize. As you can see, it comes up with options. What if I do this? Look, you can actually see how small the keyboard gets. If I do huge, the keyboard should change the sizes. And that is pretty much it for the Swiftkey app. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys later.